With location templates, you'll be able to select materials, set their mins and maxes, the preset quantities, and generate barcodes. Location templates are also great for setting up stock templates for your fleet, like service vans or install van templates, as an example. Let's take a look at how this works and create a few together. Location templates are located in the Stock Locations tab under Templates. When we click Add New Template, we can give it a template name and select a few materials to go into this template. You can also search for materials here in the search box. Once you've selected a few materials, you'll be able to add the quantities, maxes, and generate those barcodes. You can even select from an existing set of barcodes if it's an item that has many barcodes within your catalog. So let's go ahead and set up a few of these. Give this a few quantities, mins and maxes. Generate some barcodes. So we're going to click the Create button in the lower left-hand corner, and this is going to create us a new template. You'll see here, and you can always come in and edit this template mean by clicking the three dots and template mean. And you can also add materials to this template by clicking on three dots and clicking add materials to template. And then you can also delete this and restart over. You can create as many templates as you want as well. So let's head over to this fleet locations, and we're going to create a brand new truck here. And we're just going to name this service truck. Give it a license plate number, a make, a model. And we can select from the search templates field here. This is totally optional, so you don't need to have a mandatory template, but we're going to select the service van template that we just made and click add to truck. And now you're prompted with selecting these materials and the template and applying the quantities if you'd like. You can uncheck these if you're just wanting to add the materials and have your team count the materials that are on that truck as well. So we're going to create that template. And we're going to go into the service truck that we just created, and we can see those materials and all the details from quantities, mins and maxes, as well as the barcodes are added to this. So with one click, we're able to add as many materials that are inside of our template to our truck. Let's take a look at another way that you can create templates. So you can actually start a template within the catalog. So I headed over to the catalog tab, and I'm going to select a bunch of materials here. I'm not going to select 10, let's select 2. And I'm going to click the new Add to Template button. This is going to initiate the template screen that we just showed you, and we can name this template something else. Install van template. And you can see the 2 materials that I've selected from my catalog are here, and I'm going to give it some mins and maxes, generate some barcodes. We'll do that for the next one too. There we go. And so let's head over to the stock locations, and we'll see now that we have 2 templates. We have an install template and a service van template. You can also send us a template Excel sheet, and we will make sure that we upload those. Let us know if you have any questions about fleet templates.